Yeah, good day, guys. You're watching Kepu Kepu TV, and today is Monday, the 15th day of April 2025. Ebe awoge Lekki, ebe awoge Abuja, ebe awoge abroad. This is Ifeobara water basin or ifeobara basin here in Aba University, just very close. By my left, Weber Olumba, and also so many other adjoining roads. Over the years, this place has been, so this issue started during the last administration. After fixing this area, Rota made it to everywhere, chasing around, chasing property owners and also buildings. We are fully being abandoned also to his fate. Him now also today now so many people are being able because of the maintenance level of this flooding. So we wish to draw the attention of His Excellency Dr. Lesioma Oti, OFR, they are the Caterpillar bulldozer,